Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we learn how to create a cat piñata. Materials we need are a big carton box, cutter scissors, white glue, brown carton selling tape, duct tape, multicolored tissue paper, colorful shades, Lustrin paper, silicone glue sticks, and wire. Please follow the step below. Build two equal parts in the shape of the face. A long strip of carton should be cut into smaller sections, side by side similar to the eyelash. This will be glued all over the face. In the upper section of the long carton strip and in the bottom the cat ears will go the wire, which shall be wrapped with the brown carton selling tape or reinforcing it. The other side of the piñata face will also be reinforced with carton selling tape. To decorate the piñata, we need to cover it fully with Lustrin paper so it looks more to black. Multicolored tissue paper should be cut in small square or rectangle shapes. The then should be glued on top of each other and all over the piñata. The piñata face includes eyes, ears, and mouth should be made with the colorful shades. I hope this tutorial is useful and will be received. Thank you all.